Welcome to our detailed comparison of two popular hair clippers, the Remington Shortcut Pro and the TPOB Slime 2. Today, we will delve into their specifications, performance, and overall value. The Remington Shortcut Pro is a versatile and affordable option designed for home use, featuring a waterproof design and multiple trimming lengths. On the other hand, the TPOB Slime 2 is a professional-grade clipper known for its powerful motor and precision cutting capabilities. Let's see how they stack up against each other in various categories. When it comes to pricing, the Remington Shortcut Pro is significantly more affordable at $59, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious consumers. In contrast, the TPOB Slime 2 comes with a higher price tag of $126, reflecting its professional-grade features and capabilities. This price difference may influence your decision based on your grooming needs and budget. The motor power is another critical factor to consider. The Remington Shortcut Pro features a standard lithium-ion rechargeable battery, providing 40 minutes of cordless use. However, the TPOB Slime 2 boasts a high-performance rotary motor that operates at 6,800 RPM, ensuring efficient cutting and a smoother grooming experience. This powerful motor is designed for both home and professional use, making it a standout choice for those seeking precision. Finally, let's discuss the blades. The Remington Shortcut Pro uses extra-wide curved stainless steel blades, which are effective for various grooming tasks. In contrast, the TPOB Slime 2 features high-quality DLC, diamond-like carbon, coated blades that offer longevity and sharpness, making them ideal for precise cutting and fading. This difference in blade quality can significantly impact your grooming results. In conclusion, both the Remington Shortcut Pro and TPOB Slime 2 have their unique strengths. The Remington is an affordable and versatile option for home users, while the TPOB Slime 2 is a premium choice for those seeking professional-grade performance. Consider your grooming needs and budget when making your decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.